In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Huntington banking app. Whether you're a longtime customer or just getting started with Huntington, having the app on your phone can make managing your finances a breeze. So let's dive into the steps and get you set up stress-free. First things first, you'll need to grab your Android or Apple device. Depending on what you're using, head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Both stores are the go-to places for downloading apps when it comes to Android and Apple devices, respectively. Once you're in the store, simply tap on the search bar. This is typically at the top of the screen and is your primary way of finding the app you need. Type in Huntington app or Huntington Bank app. As you type, you might notice a list of suggestions appearing below the search bar, which is quite helpful. These suggestions can lead you to the app quickly, but make sure to stick with Huntington for our purposes today. Now it's time to review the results. Search results, particularly with banking apps, can sometimes be a little tricky due to the sheer number of apps out there. What you're looking for is the official Huntington banking app. To identify the real one, focus on the logo. The legit app has a distinct green background emblazoned with a white logo. This color scheme helps distinguish it from other apps and imitators. Once you've located the real Huntington banking app among the options, tap on it to open the app's detail page. Here, you'll find additional information such as user reviews, app size, and required permissions. Taking a moment to scan the user reviews can give you a sense of what to expect in terms of functionality and user satisfaction. If everything looks good, which it should, you're ready for the next move. Go ahead and click the install button to download the app onto your device. The installation might take a few seconds to a minute, depending on your internet connection speed. In this time, your device will download, install, and prepare the app for its first use. And there you have it. You've now learned how to successfully download and install the Huntington banking app. With the app in place, you're ready to enjoy more streamlined banking tasks straight from your phone. The app offers a secure way to manage funds, pay bills, and stay up to date with your account activities, all at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy banking!